These are 10 most powerful gangsters ever. Time and again, criminal activity has ever been rising since the beginning of this industry. And to add on to this, there happens to be a number of gangsters who are not only the richest, but the most frightening and notorious gangsters who made crime not only pay, but gave it a celebrity status. But who are these criminals? How did they become so powerful? What made them so powerful? Continue watching the video till the end to know more. Hey everyone, and welcome back to yet another video from our channel. We hope you guys are doing extremely well. In this video, we will be talking about the top 10 most powerful gangsters ever. We will be diving deep into every aspect of the situation. So if you are new to this channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now without any further ado, let's hop right into the video. Starting the list with Al Capone, commonly known as Snorky. While he was growing up, thanks to his tendency to boil over into violence with little provocation and evident lack of a conscience, born Alphonse, it's little wonder that his fuse was short. He died after untreated syphilis left him mostly brain dead and serving a sentence for tax evasion. Number 2. Pablo Escobar, the cocaine kingpin. Pablo Escobar single-handedly raised the crime rate in Colombia and into the United States due to his empire of influence. By importing Bolivian marching powder to the US and ordering hits on several police officers who sought his capture, Escobar gained a level of deadly celebrity that was equal parts respect and fear. Number 3. John Dillinger, a charming rogue who was probably the first real celebrity criminal. He was primarily a bank robber, but also a killer of people in Indiana. However, he was brought down by his girlfriend, who led him into a police ambush outside of a theater. Number 4. Bonnie Parker. The smart, interesting, attractive half of Bonnie and Clyde, Parker's turn-ons included bank robbery, shooting, and pistol battles with police officers ending in death. Though she was a scant 23 years old when gunned down, she still carries a legacy to women that anything men can do, female gangsters can do better while wearing heels and a skirt. Number 5. Ellsworth Johnson, known as Bumpy, is in competition with Capone for badass gangsters, given both terrible birth names and ridiculous nicknames. He helped break the race barrier in crime during the 30s as one of the most infamous African-American mobsters to run numbers, drugs, guns, and anything else you could want. Number 6. James Bulger, who was not only a Bostonian mob boss, but an FBI informant who spent much of his time on the run from the feds. He would have been the top dog of the most wanted list, had it not been for a certain chap known as Osama bin Laden. Number 7. Jesse James, a Confederate folk hero of the 19th century. James was often likened to Robin Hood in his tendency to steal only from banks and trains where the undeservedly wealthy kept their money, often turning much of his profit over to individuals suffering under the yoke of poverty and financial exploitation. Number 8. Stephanie St. Clair, Queenie. To many on the wonderful Isle of Manhattan, this classy lady brought a sense of French refinement and African savvy to the underworld. Though herself a criminal in Harlem, she often brought down corrupt police officers by using the system to her advantage. Number 9. John Joseph Gotti Jr., the Dapper John or the Teflon Don. Gotti killed his way into being the head of the Gambino family when he offed Paul Castellano. And lastly, number 10. Griselda Blanco. From the humble beginnings of prostitution and pickpocketing, Blanco eventually plied her wickedly sharp mind to creating a booming cocaine trade in Miami with the help of her Colombian contacts, earning the name of the cocaine godmother. Even when incarcerated, she ran a booming coke conglomerate. And that's the end of our list. Did you enjoy watching the video? Do you have any other notorious criminals in your mind which could be added to our list? Did we miss out on anything? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. We would love to hear your thoughts on this while we keep working on making more such videos. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Please like the video if you have not already, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update from our channel. With that being said, let's meet in another one of these videos. Until then, see ya.